morning students. Today we will study class 5th, chapter number 4, and the first topic I have mentioned the topics here: entering data in table, selecting cell, rows, column and table, inserting rows and column, deleting rows and column. In our last class I have told you that how if you want to insert a table in MS Word, then what you have to do. Now firstly, if you there are first topic is entering data in table. If you want to enter a data in any table, then same you have to do. First of all, you have to click on insert tab, and after that you have to select a table from there. Now if you want to enter data in a table, first what you have to do, firstly click on the first cell of a table, and then type class. After that press tab. With the help of your keyboard, you can press tab key from there, and you can select, you can go to on next row. After that, this is the process. You can enter data in your table. After that, selecting a rows and column on a table. If you want to select a rows and column in your table, then what you have to do, to select a single cell, move the mouse pointer towards the left edge of the cell. The pointer will become a black right pointing arrow. If you want to select a single table, then what you have to do, you have to select a single cell. After that, click on there. Now to select a range of cells, click on any cell, and without releasing the mouse button, drag the select more than one cell. If you want to select more cells, then what you have to do, you have to click on any one of the cell, and after that drag your pointer. Now to select an entire row, move the mouse pointer. If you want to select an entire row, then what you have to do, move the mouse pointer outside the left edge of the first cell in the row. Then the pointer will become a white right pointing arrow. Click to select the entire row. A selected row is the row will be selected. After that now our next topic is inserting rows and column. If you want to insert a row and a column, then what you have to do, if you want to insert any row and column, you can also insert rows and column in a table by clicking on any cell where row and column is to be added. आप किसी भी सेल में जाके क्लिक कर सकते हैं और आप वहां से भी अपनी रोज एंड कॉलम को ला सकते हैं. आफ्टर दैट, then firstly what you have to do, click on the layout of the tab. It means that page layout. After that, the rows and column group has 4 different tools for the inserting rows and column, or there are 4 different tools, and you can select from there also. After that, click on the cell containing click on insert above if you want to insert a row of the current row. अगर आपको कोई भी रो इंसर्ट करनी है और बीच में, suppose that one by one the row is given to you, you have written the name 1 2 3 4 5 6. If you want to select a row between them, then what you have to do, click on insert above. After that, if you want to insert a row above the current row, this will add a new row. और जब आप ऊपर बीच में से कहीं भी सेलेक्ट करना चाहते हैं, then you have to click on there. Same you have to insert on below tab. Same process you have to do on left, and same process you have to do on right. And if you want to delete any row, then what you have to do, deleting rows and column. To delete a row or a column, click on any cell of that row or column. आप किसी भी एक रो जिसको आप डिलीट करना चाहते हैं, you have to select from one side only and select it, and then press backspace or click on delete. Your row will be deleted. Now merging a cell. Our next topic is merging a cell. To merge a cell means to combine. To merge a cell means to combine 2 or more cells into one cell. आपको 2 या 2 से ज्यादा सेल अगर मर्ज करनी है, then what you have to do, firstly select a cell 2 to 6 in a row. आपको सबसे पहले रो में सेल सेलेक्ट करनी है. Then click on the layout of tab. After that, click on the merge cell option in the merge group. Then merge cell in the first row. After जब आप merge cell पे क्लिक करेंगे, your cell will be merged. Now next topic is splitting cell. To split cell means to divide one cell into 2 or more cell. पहले तो हमने रो को मर्ज किया था. After that, if you want to split, then what you have to do, click on page layout. After that, click on split cell tool, then change the number of column. After that you have to change the number of column, then change the number of row. After that click on OK. Your cell will be splitted. Now there is table style. What is table style? If you want to open the table style, then click on the design tab. After that second in the table style group, click on to open drop down list. आप किसी भी एक टेबल स्टाइल ग्रुप पे क्लिक करेंगे, वहां पे आपकी टेबल ओपन हो जाएगी. सेलेक्ट टेबल स्टाइल from this list. My dear student, there is problem, that's why I have explained you this chapter. Otherwise I will show you the practical class. In our next class we will discuss these topic about practically, and your chapter number 4 has been completed. I will provide you the worksheet of this chapter. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.